Hey everyone, in today's video we're gonna see how you can create this heat distortion effect with just one layer. You just need to paint the mask and everything follows the effect. Let's see how you can create this. Okay, so let's start with adding a paint layer here. Let's rename this heat and add a black mask, add a paint layer here, add a paint to the mask. At this moment it could be just random, we don't need to be accurate. And now add an anchor point to it. Coming to the paint layer, add a fill layer. In the base color, let's add an anchor point we just created, and we can already see something happening here, but it's just starting. Let's do the magic. Let's add a filter, and we'll add a gradient filter like this. And here you can add as many colors as you want your gradient to be, but I figured out 6 is a good value for creating this gradients. Now let's see how the gradient works. This graph is really good. It shows like how metal reacts when heated. It's a really good graph to understand things. But let's pick the gradients in this and see how we do this stuff. Starting from the bottom one, let's pick the lightest gradient here. Then this orangish, purple, something like dark blue, light blue, and even lighter blue, something like this. Okay, so now let's set the color positions. I like to start with 1 and then decreasing 0.1 on each level. So let's 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6 and 0.5. We have already started getting some results, but we have to tweak them at this level. But before tweaking, let's add a blur filter here just to get more gradient range. And now it's time to fix the gradient. It's your call. You have to play with the gradient levels, how your result should be. Seeing at the reference, you can see there could be a multiple things. Purple could have a good fall off, some purple could have very short fall off. So it's all about understanding what you want. So I'll just go with the generic results. So it's all up to you how you want to tweak things. Let's set some gradients and like this, maybe like this and like that. I guess this is looking pretty good. You can definitely come later and tweak things, but so yep, for now it's looking good. Now let's add some variation to this. At this moment it's looking very just blurry bloppy thing. I like to add some little distortions to it. So let's start with adding a blur slope. Yep, it started to break some stuff, but we don't want that small. So let's tile it up, just like getting a little distortions, just like this. Yep, this is good enough. Look at this. Now let's add a more distortion. Let's add a filler and add a Damascus grunge. It works really good with the metals. Again, I'll just use this just to manipulate things. Make this to the linear dodge, and now play with the mask. I want it to be very very big, just to distort little things. Now play with the distortion levels, divisions. You will get pretty cool results for this. Let's lower the opacity of this layer. I just want it to be little, maybe like that. Now let's play with the values. Yeah, I guess this works. It's just adding a little distortion to it, and that's exactly what I wanted. And now it's ready to use. Now it's up to you, how distorted you want. You can add maybe blur slopes even on this as well to get some details. Let's scale the tiling like that. You can just get some spicy things, but it's all up to you adding things on it. But I guess this is the perfect. Now you can also manipulate the gradients as you want, like, because at this moment I'm feeling like the dark blue is very killing the vibe, very dark. So let's readjust the colors and add a little more fall off to this blue, and like this and this. Yep, this looks way better than the earlier. Now it's all up to you. Paint whatever mask you like, decrease the opacity of the brush, and just play with the values how you want your heat to be going on. And now it's a full-fledged smart material kind of thing. You just need to play with the mask. You can add any grunge map to make it work. Let's add any grunge map. Let's say this. Add a blur filter to this, and it will give you really good results. Play with the balance, play with the tiling, and damn, you get really cool results. It's all up to your creativity, how you use this. Use it with any maybe generator. Let's add metal edge here, increase it, add a blur to it, and yep, you have a really good result. And combine it with the manual painting, and you can get a very good results very quick. Just like this. Keep playing with the mask until you are satisfied. And if you want this exact smart material, I'll drop this in the description. Make sure to check this out and download it. But I also want you guys to try this out. It's a very simple tutorial, which just took you 5 minutes to do this. Must try this.